Hey, what's up, guys? This is part 2. I already did the upgrade, so I could just show you what to do. So I just put the sport intake, race fuel system, race ignition, race exhaust, sport cams and valves, race valves, stock engine block. Like that, guys. You don't want it too high horsepower, so it'll spin out. Stock pistons, sport turbo, sport intercooler, street oil and cooling, and a race flywheel. You could you do this and test it out. If you feel you need more horsepower, upgrade like 1 or 2 stuff. Try not to get it too high. And if you feel like you got like too much, try to downgrade some stuff. I made this car based on how I drift, so you try to upgrade it or downgrade it however you want. Just let this load. So this is it. That's when just slides around. Alright, so yeah, I'm gonna make another video on how to drift, and that's gonna be part 3. So you could test out this car, see if you already know how to drift. Yeah, I know a lot of people that can drift on Forza 4, but can't do it on Horizon. So yeah, guys, part 3 is coming next, and if you already know how to drift, you don't need to watch part 3. If you don't know, stay tuned and you'll find out soon. Bye.